this is Debbie from Project 39. I received this Cupid's Heart 12 by 12 Valentine's Day paper collection from Country Craft Creations as a design team package, and I've already made this mini album, and I show you, I feel like I want to change him, and I show you in a separate tutorial and walk through all about this mini album. Okay. So you can take a look at that. But my crafty goal this year is, once I've opened up a collection, use it up. I don't want any scraps put back in my stash. So I still had some scraps left over, and I still have some left over. Not a lot, but I still have to work with the collection to finish it up. But so what I've made is some Valentine's Day cards. So one of my favorite methods of making cards is to mat scraps of paper on another cardstock and just mat different shapes and just put it on the card. So that's how I made this one. And then I did have a Happy Valentine's Day stamp that I put on pink paper to match, and then just inked around it in red just to have it stand out. So that's okay. It's okay. And this one too is okay. You know, just rectangle. I mean, I loved this image, and I just worked with that. So here we are again with that. I did add a rectangular shape back here and then another one there. But again, they're okay. They're all right. But I had about 8 of these guys that I cut out. Guys, gals, clowns. I hate to call them clowns because they are so much better than just a clown. I inked down at the bottom just so it would give it a little dimension, and that was okay. I added the Happy Valentine's Day. I put it over to the side. I could still cut that off. I think that would look better. I just put it over to the side of the card. But anyhow, so that is okay. I mean, the image is adorable. But then I started having a little more fun. So I had some Tim Holtz, I don't know if it's called wax paper, but I inked it a little bit and glued it down, wetted a little bit and glued it down. I had these stickers in my stash. So now I feel like I'm getting somewhere. So I like that. Same here. I added some of this. I inked it a little bit. I had some stickers in my stash from a Simple Stories collection that I had received as a design team package maybe 2 years ago. But I'm liking what I'm seeing. And then I'm getting into it, and I also realized I have a stamp with some script letters, so I added that to the card, and I like this collage sort of look. You know, we've got the background, we've got this wax paper, we've got the stamp, and we've got the image, and then the sentiment. So I'm sort of liking it. I'm having fun. This was cut out of the paper, and it said Cupid's Heart over here, but I didn't want that to be bold, so I covered that up with that waxed paper. I ripped a little bit of the design paper and added a little Be Mine. You know, I'm basically just having fun. So again, some of that Tim Holtz wax paper on here. It just adds a little bit more, although I'm looking at it in the camera. It sort of looks like he's on a unicycle, huh? I gotta fix that. More collage-y look with scraps of paper. There were some hearts in that Simple Stories sticker collection. So I'm just having fun, and it is adorable. And I used some more of that script stamp in the background. You can't really, it's not very bold. I just wanted it to be sort of muted, just to add another layer. And there is that. And then more collage stamps that cut apart. So really quickly, that is, so I just wanted to come on, whoops, there's my mic stand, and show you really quickly some great things you could do with the scraps from, I mean, any collection, especially Country Craft Creations, because there's so much detail to them that anything you do with them will make it fun. So there's those. Oh my goodness, I have more. I'll just put them on top. And there we go. Oh, you know what? This one, I don't know if you could see, but I did splotch some white splotches. You can see a little there. I guess I didn't do as many as I should have, just to bring it all out. But that is what I have for you today. I just wanted to show you this real quick things to do with scraps from the collection. Thanks so much for watching, and have a fabulous day.